So I'm starting this vlog now. This is my birthday vlog. So first and foremost, I have already written a list of things that I want to do prior to my birthday, because I mean that's like my ritual. So today I'm going to get my facials done. I'm going back to Yaba, so I'm going to get my facials done because girl, I am due. Everything on my face actually come out. Like I want to just get extractions. I'm not really so big on those extra facials. I just feel that as long as I have my skincare and I have my skin exfoliated and my comedones extracted, I am very good. So let's go.
I'm a fairy, pretty as a picture, sweeter than a pusher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's richer. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you won't, I'll be happy to repeat it.
So I'm back from my facials. Yeah, I just decided to just do like a quick mask because anytime I come like from my facials, because I got a deep acne cleansing facial or something like that. So anytime I come back from that, I just like to rehydrate because of like maybe the small scars I might have and stuff like that. I really did need these facials, to be honest. I did need it. So yeah, by the way guys, I'm reading this book. This is one of the books that my mom got for me, that she thrifted for me one time. And I am loving this book. It's thriller and romance. It's just amazing. It's that kind of book that you mistakenly stay up late till 4 a.m. to finish because you just can't drop it. Anywho, I'm really enjoying it. Like, I started about yesterday. And although with my busy schedule, I have not been able to let it go.
I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Always wanna marry, looking in my diary. Hey, you can stab it, touch it, I'm very pretty as a picture. Sweeter than a switcher, mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with ya. I can talk about it cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then baby, sing it with me. Oh, I don't need it, I was in, no question that this girl's a 10. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. I walk my talk the way I trip. It's like my thoughts.
Yeah, it's very funny. I just got back from the salon, and this is what we have here. So tomorrow, yeah, so hair check, nails check, face pretty, yeah. So yeah, I have my shoot for 12 tomorrow. So I have my jewelry. I've put everything out, but I'm doing my makeup tomorrow by myself. So wish me luck. I don't know whether I should go with a red lippy or with my normal highlighted pink lippy, because my outfit is black, my nails are red, my accessories and my shoes are silver. You know what? Let's see. Hey friends, so today is 7th of June and I'm having my birthday photo shoot today, and this is my makeup. I'm super sorry that I couldn't film. I couldn't film doing my makeup because I started really early and I just didn't want any distractions, and it was kind of like, yeah, it was just a me time and I wasn't having a good time with my makeup. But I'm happy that I love how it looks. And by the way, the spray that really fixed my makeup was this Body Fix. I got it in a souvenir. I was even like, for the fact that they put it in a souvenir, maybe it's something cheap or something that doesn't work, but it was kind of like a sponsored souvenir package. So they sponsored it and they put this in my package. And ladies, when I tell you that this really helped me with my makeup this morning, this is the holy grail. I usually use the Mismetics, but I think I love the spray of this. It just gets it everywhere. By the way, I'm really loving my eyes. When I started my makeup journey, I didn't know how to do eye makeup. Yes, I didn't know how to do eye makeup, but now I'm super happy that I'm getting what exactly that I like. I love my blush placement. I love everything. Although my setting powder placement today was something else, but this came to the rescue. It's called the Beauty by AD Baddie Fix. Amazing. So yeah, this is the look I am going for. I wanted to go for a red look, but I was like, you know what? This is me. This is, if you know me, this is my look. This is my glam, okay? This is Rena's glam. Though my coils are not so bouncy anymore, and I did not bring my coiler or my straightener. Nothing is here. So yeah, so let's accessorize together and let's get dressed together. So guys, this is my dress. I'm going to show you the full outfit later. I'm going to show you the full outfit later. I don't know if I should take this coiled or if I should take this straight. I don't know, because the coils left last night and I don't have my anything. I don't have like my coiler here. Yeah, so this is it. So this is my dress. The real ones know this dress, but I kind of like revamped it and I'm repeating it today for my 24th photo shoot. Gosh, I look so good. There's a full-size mirror here, so pardon me. All right, so let's accessorize together. I was just trying to set my lights. So I'm going to be wearing these earrings because I think they kind of like fit with my dress. I'm going to be wearing it. I don't know why I just became anxious all of a sudden. I rebuke that spirit. I rebuke it. You guys, what's happening? I did really extra long nails. Very, very long. I can't remember the last time I did a length like this. I can't remember the last time I did a length this long. I can't remember. I don't even think I've ever done it. It's not like this. It's not this long. I know that I had a very extra. I look delicious. I know that I had a very extra long phase, and that was like after secondary school, and after that, and I knew it wasn't as long as this. Then I now entered my very short phase where I would do like short blocks of red on my nails. I had that phase as well. So this is it. Then I'm not wearing a necklace. Then I got these rings. They're really cute. I got them recently, like for this photo shoot, because I needed I'm just gonna say this. I hope this video looks good. I hope these footages look good so that I can be able to use them, because my background, like I'm in my sister's room, like my background isn't the best. Okay. Yeah, look at that. So cute. And I have another one for my second finger. If you know me, you know I love rings. You know I love rings. I love rings. If you know me, you know I love rings. Which do you prefer? So I have a bangle, just one. I don't really love being heavily jeweled up. Like from so these are the only jewelries I have. So now let's pick my shoes. I have these shoes. I just got them for the shoot / my birthday. So basically I was looking, so I'm going with silver jewelries, right? I think I'm going to still put my hair in place, so don't worry about that. So see them, like they're so beautiful. They're so nice. So this is my first option. This, I think I'm going to go with this, but let me show you guys the options I have. Then I have my Farragos. I have this. It goes with my earrings, but this look really classy and beautiful. So which do you think I should do?
Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful.
Then they love to hate, but all the bad models.
Like I said, let me tell you something. You don't need $1 billion, to look good and to feel good. Revamp what you have, girlies. Make do with what you have, girlies. Like frontal wear. This is all my hair except this. This is my hair. Okay, I love the look of my neck, guys. Just think of this. I'm so happy and grateful to be living this life, and I hope you all feel that way as well. Be grateful for this life. Be grateful for this purpose that you have been given. Bye. So guys, I'm on my way to the studio now. So by the way, I want to kind of like do 2 outfits today. So this is like for my birthday celebration, and the other one is like for just a new headshot for like professional things and all that. So I have the outfits in my bag, so that's what we're doing, and I brought a necklace for that as well. Yeah, it's just like I think I just want like 2 photos with that shirt. Yeah, just like about 2 just headshots kind of. Yeah, so let's go. It's very close to me, by the way. I hope. I've never used them before, but the reviews and what I see, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. So let's go.
Cameras flashing, Daddy turn his head just as soon as I pass him. Girls think I'm conceited 'cause I know I'm attractive. Don't worry about what I think, why don't you ask him? Stuck together, don't hate. Jealousy's the ugliest trait. I can talk about it 'cause I know that I'm pretty. And if you know it too, then ladies, sing it with me.